In this no BS tutorial, you'll learn how to change your playlist picture on Spotify. It's a very simple trick that you can do, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things personal branding, some how-to tutorials, and me and my team, we have 2 video editors. We try to produce around 2 videos every single day for your value. So before we start, if you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video for the YouTube algorithm. I'll shout you out in return in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, YouTube account, or something funny down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so this is how you do it. We're on Spotify right here, and I'm on some public playlist, like jazz vibes. The issue here is if we go on it and click the second button, we cannot change it, right? We can create a playlist around it, create a folder, we can download it, but there's no option here as well to actually change this thumbnail. So the only way to actually do it is to go on a playlist you own, playlist you created. For example, here is an example. Here is a playlist that I've created 6 years ago. And yes, I've had Spotify Premium for 6 years. I'm loving Spotify. And as you can see, the playlist picture is here. If I click this, I can edit the name, the description, and even the actual picture from here. And I just did. It's as simple as that. But I'd rather remove that because that looks really bad. And another way to do it is, as you can see, the actual thumbnail is the first 4 songs. So if I just have this song appear first, you can see it change like this there. And I'm moving it downwards and it goes to spot number 3. So this is the way you actually change a Spotify playlist picture. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.